from the gill to the head, then around this. Green is to launch the boat. The gust at the moment around 30 kilometer. Hopefully it's dropped. The forecast was much nicer than what actually we see now, but as we know, things can change for good or worse.
That's right. You can't trust willy weather.
No, willy weather is not trusted. Fish finder is not trusted. None of them can be trusted when you're fishing.
Rez is not trusted.
Well, myself is not trusted. It's even not 6:30 yet, and everyone's so keen to catch tuna. It's a lovely day apparently. You're launching the boat. We are set. We're doing around 10-11 kilometer crawling. 4 riders out.
Shout. Right, any pretty good cuts, really right, and then really all the other ones.
With lures we have to watch. For example, there's a seaweed stuck to this one. You have to be vibrate like this, not this one. Now Albert got the first fish. How are you feeling, Albert?
I want to take a picture of it.
Oh, you will. 1.5 hours we haven't caught anything. There's a big swell. We feel a bit, some of us we're feeling a bit seasick. We have to move back. It's safety first. You know, ride hats. And if you feel sick, you better move back. Take the tablet before. And it's still, if it's as rough as this, you may still feel sick. But the best thing, just look at horizon and make yourself busy. Let's still go just there. We're gonna just beautiful fish fest, tuna fish by Albert. Is that recording?
First
Yeah. And Vince is
going to
butcher it, and we're gonna butcher the other parts. Therefore, it's good to watch and learn from master.
Yeah, now I'm gonna wreck it.
From the gill to the head, then around the spine.
Even through that bit.
It's beautiful fish. 1/4. It's a Japanese knife, isn't it, Vince? It's a bloodline.
Missed where I went. I should have gone the side of it, but it's okay. And that's all the bloodline that we can cut out. But this stuff here, what we'll do afterwards, we'll shave that off and turn that into sashimi.
Around the gill.
Clean that up first and then
dark, very dark red flesh is very fishy taste, therefore they cut that part. And tuna actually is hot, warm-blooded fish.
I've got to get it as cold as possible, as quick as possible.
Yeah.
Do you put it in the freezer a little bit, or just put it straight in the fridge?
I'll cryovac it and then just fridge it, and you guys can do with it what you want afterwards.
And then the skin.
I'll leave it in lengths like that.
Yep.
One. A bit of a skin left in this one as well. Look at the bones. Making us soup.
Get told off for leaving too much stuff behind. Okay, just one piece. Put that there.
What you mean? They're just like a bit of a skin and stuff like that, you mean?
Yeah, someone will turn around and have a go at us.
No. Clean yourself. Definitely a good knife, that's for sure. definitely pack a lot of power, that's for sure.
Sorry, mate.
So they definitely pack a lot of power, that's for sure.
Yep. Fun to catch.
The skin just like leather. You can make it leather tuna.
There you go, there's a business proposition for you.
Yeah,
They're the shoes.
the shoes.
Tuna fin shoes.
It's going to be quite nice and
Right,
Skin
now,
comes off relatively easy.
yeah, I'm not going to give you that, that's all bristle. Not bristle, tendons and that.
That skin comes
right,
off.
and then other side the same more or less. Only the gill, actually the gill
Gills
apparently.
are gone. These
The
bits, the
barbecue, the smoking, and it's quite